For manual cleaning in 1950s, food and beverage companies moved to automated cleaning process. This major evolution was a great advantage to industries that need frequent internal cleaning of their processes. With fully automated cleaning process, industries using Clean-in-Place expect to clean faster in a repeatable way with less labor-intensive operation and limited exposure to chemical risk. Moving to fully automated CAP was an important evolution. Today, companies are facing with almost the same importance challenges for Clean-in-Place process optimization on performance, quality, and duration. With easiness of data access and comparison across multiple CAP stations and multiple plants. Today, CAP operations require more traceability to comply with Quality 4.0. Food and beverage industrials need to also increase operational efficiency and reduce production downtime due to cleaning. As a repetitive process, the Clean-in-Place operation need to simplify and standardize operations and reduce related time and cost. They also need to lower carbon footprint and sustain savings over time. Connected to existing Clean-in-Place automation equipment, the solution is PLC agnostic. The architecture proposed the best option, leveraging M580 combined with AVEVA system platform directly connected through OPC to the EcoStruxure Clean-in-Place Advisor. For the demonstration, we selected a common use case of Clean-in-Place operation in a dairy factory producing bottles of milk. The Clean-in-Place station is configured to implement cleaning sequences on several milk bottling lines. We have lines for differently sized bottles and different varieties of milk. Clean-in-Place optimization is crucial for this process to help enhance food safety and improve production efficiency. The advisor provides a set of digital reports customized on Clean-in-Place, with capability to track clean object, recipe used, quality score according to deviation from reference, remaining productivity and turbidity, and many other KPI. This to help users to move to Quality 4.0, meaning that all quality data are available at any time in digital format to document the evidence of proper cleaning. The Clean-in-Place database openness in this solution and the dashboarding additional module brings flexibility in proposing multiple angles for CAP analysis and comparison across large amount of data. Based on a theoretical sequence for each recipe and object, a golden cleaning is defined. In a single click, the cost of the golden sequence is displayed on the train view to compare the actual measurement to the CAP reference. The operator can select to display the sequence spider chart that focus on caustic and acid phases. It's a quick view to deeper the diagnosis on the 40 rules when there is a deviation from golden CAP sequence. This sequence shows important deviation on caustic phase, especially on duration, which is far from expected value for proper cleaning. To confirm the maximum time is allocated to production, the advisor monitors load of CAP lines, helping users to better allocate Clean-in-Place operations and manage the load of CAP stations to reduce production downtime. At the bottom of the main view, we have all sequences displayed on a Gantt chart diagram with all traceability information and direct access to the sequence measurement. The advisor computes the golden score for each line with reference to a pair of recipe and object. Monitoring the golden is the best way to track deviation and confirm the standardization. Audit and Clean-in-Place services from Schneider Electric are part of the solution to make sure operations comply with regulation and standards. Schneider Electric Clean in Place experts will bring methodology and best practices to simplify operation and follow best-in-class standards. By design, the Clean in Place Advisor offers the best interface for Clean in Place data analysis. The solution example demonstrates a typical use case that analyzes and identifies losses and associated causes. This product loss monitoring is proposed as a complementary feature. It provides additional diagnostic tool helping Clean in Place users to track food losses going to drain and accordingly reduce spike of chemical oxygen demand (COD) in wastewater treatment plants. EcoStruxure Clean in Place Advisor can work in synergy with additional tools like Power Monitoring Expert to easily create and embed dedicated dashboards for energy consumption related to CAP operation. This energy monitoring contributes to lower carbon footprint and sustained savings. The Schneider Electric Clean in Place optimization solution offers advisor and services to help you to rise those challenges. CAP experts can assist to diagnose, simplify, and standardize your CAP operations while reducing cleaning operation time and resources. Let's move to CAP 4.0 for more traceability, better quality and efficiency with EcoStruxure Clean in Place solution.